identity, democratic identification versus cultural identity. This has conduct of election rules. Section 35. Rule 35 specifically mentions about the identification of electors, and also 34 mentions about facilities for women electors. Exactly in दो provisions के तहत identification का कार्य जो कि rules में provided है उसी हिसाब से किया जाएगा, but with full regard and respect to the cultural aspects of the entire issue, which are prevalent in many states, which are prevalent in Rajasthan, which are prevalent in many parts of the country. That will be according to the rule position and also the fullest possible respect to the cultural milieu of that particular area.